Hello everybody, welcome to the Life of Divine Favor. I'm your host. Well, today I'm not going to be on the set of the Life of Divine Favor as you see me here right now, because I have to go out to a wonderful brand new restaurant in town here in the Savannah area in Chatham County, Georgia. And the name of the place is called Pop's Grillin. So you guys are going to see a very exclusive introduction and grand opening to Pop's Grillin in Port Wentworth, Georgia. So, I'll see you there. It's the life
Divine Favor. Divine Favor. Divine Favor.
It's the life
Divine Favor. Yeah. Divine Favor in the house.
Hello everyone, thank you for watching the Life of Divine Favor, and as I told you, we'll be visiting Pop's Grillin in Port Wentworth, Georgia today. I have with me the owner, Sam Foster, and Phyllis Foster. Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to go to the front here. We're going to talk to this wonderful young lady here at Pop's Grillin in Port Wentworth, Georgia. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Valeria. I'm the manager at Pop's Grillin.
Alright, wonderful. So we have our front area management here. Can you tell us a little bit about what's on your menu here at Pop's Grillin?
Alright. We got a little bit of favorites going on. We got some fish pies, there's grouper, there's cut up into pies. We got some pulled pork sandwiches. We got mac and cheese, a little bit of green beans, some ham in there, some corn on the cob. We got the great old southern sweet tea.
Oh wow, yes, sweet tea, yes.
Nice and fresh for you.
Yes, most definitely. So, the prices are pretty reasonable here.
Yeah, pretty much. Like our pulled pork sandwiches are $7.85. Our very ribs are $10.
Okay.
It's $6.99.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, these are these are breakfast or anything?
We do actually serve breakfast. We have pop bowls, big breakfast
And
bowls.
what comes in the top?
Let's see, we got grits, we got cheese, we got sausage or bacon, something pretty big to eat. You know,
Serve a little bit of everything. How about breakfast sandwiches? Can I just stop by here and grab me a breakfast sandwich on my way? You know, hustling and bustling, going to work or going to school. I just stop by and get a sandwich, right?
yeah, we're here at 6 a.m. We have everything, have the sales just ready for you.
Okay, so you guys hear that they're open at 6 a.m.
We're about to show you how we make our loaded potatoes. Because you get potatoes everywhere else, but nothing as good as Pop's. So when we get here, we get a little bit of garlic butter. Spread some of that on there like that.
That looks good. Okay.
And we take the halves, put it in there like that. Right? Then get the pulled pork. Look how that looks.
Wow.
Got your book. Got some more.
Oh yeah, now you put the extra stuff in the pork one here. That looks, oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Mouth watering, guys.
Then take this guy, sour cream.
Oh yeah, look at that. My goodness. Yes, sour cream for you guys that are sour cream lovers.
Then take a little bit of this cheese. No potato is good without that good old shredded.
Must have the cheese. Must have the cheese. Yes, give it a little more cheese.
Now some people want jalapenos, which we do, but this particular guest they don't want jalapenos. So this is our loaded potato. Bam. And they don't want sides, just the potatoes. Okay. So
What we have here is loaded pulled pork sandwich.
Okay.
Which
Looks
comes
good.
with Pop's pulled pork, some sauce, your choice of cheese, coleslaw, tomatoes, and jalapenos.
Okay.
Choice of side, string beans, and our famous macaroni and cheese.
All right. It looks really good. Okay. What does this kind of run for? Do you know?
And this right here only runs for $9.
Okay, $9, guys. So make sure you come down and order one. Just $9. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. And we're back with the Life of Divine Favor TV show. We're here with Chef Mario here in the kitchen. It looks like he's whipped up quite a bit of food here, so he's going to tell us a little bit about what this is.
Okay, first of all, let's start with this guy in the middle. These are the tenderest, tastiest ribs you ever want to sink your teeth in. Pops really outdid itself. It's glazed with a garlic, honey, barbecue sauce. Oh my gracious, look at it. Then we have some fries on the side. You don't necessarily have to have the fries, but we just throw that in there. Okay, over here, it shows you 3 of our sides. We have coleslaw, we have this sweet corn, oh my gracious.
Oh,
It'll give you a sweet tooth for real.
Okay.
And the potato salad. Look how good that is. Over here, you have the baked beans. Boston ain't got nothing on these baked beans.
all right
And this
now.
macaroni cheese, look at the golden color. Oh my gracious. And this baked chicken, oh.
Oh, that looks so
Can't nobody
good.
grill like Pops.
Yes.
That's why we're here. Can't nobody do it like Pops. And
Nobody.
look at these string beans. Oh my gracious.
Everything looks so good. Everything looks okay. Now, the flavor of the string beans itself, oh my goodness, is so good. Just perfectly seasoned. Perfectly seasoned. And I think I want to try a little bit of this macaroni and cheese
Knock yourself out.
because that's one of my favorites. Oh, well, I guess I have to eat this. But it wouldn't come off. Okay. The macaroni and cheese just melts in your mouth, guys. I'm telling you, you would be making a huge mistake if you don't get down to Pop's Grillin and get you a barbecue plate. I'm telling you. But my favorite, and y'all know I like ribs. I have to try one of these ribs. And y'all gonna see me on camera probably, it's okay. I'm gonna try one of these ribs here. Oh wow. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Just look at it. You can even see the flavor.
Look how it just come off the bone. Pops Grill.
I'm telling you guys, this is #1. Pops outdid itself. I'm telling you, the recipe for this is, oh my goodness, just scrumptious. I need a napkin because I have barbecue sauce all over my face. I know I do. So we're gonna take a break and be right back with the Life of Divine Favor.
Goodbye, y'all. Come on down to Pops Grilling.
And we're back at Pop's Grilling and Port Wentworth. Sam, come on over and talk to me a little bit while I'm sampling this sweet corn here, because they said it's so sweet it makes you smack somebody. Wow, you guys really outdid yourself. The recipes here, the location, the staff is friendly. It's just a wonderful place. It's sort of family orientated, you think?
Yes, and we felt very blessed to be here, and we think we like it because the Lord placed us right here.
That's right.
And He would have us to cater to the public here, and we feel very, very good about where He placed us.
Yes, most definitely. We thank you for taking the time to be on the show. But before we go, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
How long ago was it that you wanted to have this restaurant?
I would say pretty close to 12, 13, 14 years. Basically, I've been cooking all my life, and I guess I've always wanted to have a little place. The Lord seen that the dream came true.
Okay.
And I promised Him that if He did this for me, I'll make sure this would be His place.
All right.
And I will run it accordingly the way He would have me to run.
That's right, guys. So not only is it family friendly, not only do they have good food, not only does the staff greet you with such kindness and grace, the chefs are professional. You guys have good food here. You guys, please come down to Pop's Grillin. Meet Sam, meet Chef Mario, Clameria, and Chris, and Phyllis, who's not on camera with us right now. But you know, it's like having a big, huge family here at Pop's Grillin. Come on into the camera. Everybody can see you here. So make sure you come on down. I really enjoyed myself being here today, and it's a dream come true for you. God bless you guys, and thank you for watching.
Come on down to Pops.
It's the life.
Divine favor. Divine favor. Divine favor.
It's the life.
Divine favor. Yeah.